Hi y'all, it's Connie. Welcome back today. I'm going to be making a meatloaf for you guys that has a secret ingredient. Okay, so let's get started on this yummy meatloaf. I have a pound of ground round, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start seasoning this up a little bit before I put it into the oven. I have my oven preheating at 375 degrees. First of all, I'm going to hit it with a little garlic. Just a tad, just like that. And on this, I'm sorry, but I really don't measure a whole lot on this. I've made it so long that I just kind of know. And you probably do too if you have your special meatloaf that you make at home. But this is what we do. And I'm going to hit it with some salt and pepper. And I would say probably a teaspoon, maybe that, just to taste. And then a little salt. Then I'm going to hit it with some seasoned salt. Hope you all are having a good day today, and wherever it's at, I hope it's beautiful at your house today. The wind's blowing 60 miles an hour. Hey, it's West Texas. What do you know? You just never know what you're going to get here. And then we're going to hit it with some Worcestershire sauce, and I'm thinking maybe a tablespoon. Do that. And then I'm going to give it a little stir here. So I'm just going to mix it up like this. And then I'm going to put one egg, but I'm going to go ahead and just beat mine up a little bit and put it in here like this to bind. What I'm about to put in here and show you is I have 1 cup of oatmeal. Now listen, I don't know if you guys have ever had a meatloaf with oatmeal in it, but I substitute it for breadcrumbs. So I was at my aunt's house when I was about 15, and I had this meatloaf there, and it was so yummy. I don't think I had ever had anything like it. And I asked her what was in it, and she told me that she used oatmeal in hers. And I thought, wow, how cool is that? Well, when I got old enough to really care about cooking, I saw a recipe on an oatmeal can one time, one of those big Quaker oats. So I just started using that, and I just kind of put my own spin to it. And this oatmeal makes it so good. So if you guys use oatmeal in yours, let me know in the comment below. I want to hear about that. I want to hear maybe what you put in yours. But anyway, I'm going to mix this up. And then we've already put our Worcestershire. I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup in here. Maybe about half a cup. That. And mix it up. Okay, I'm going to get this all mixed in like this with the ketchup. And then I have about, well, I used 1 whole bell pepper and about a half of large onion. And I'm just going to put that in there. Just chopped it all up. Okay, then we're just going to mix the bell pepper and the onion all in with our meat here like this and get it all mixed very well. And you'll see that that egg is really binding really well with this oatmeal. And I would think that it would be pretty healthy to eat. Maybe not after you see what the topping I'm going to put on it. But anyway, it's yummy and you'll love it. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of tomato sauce. I have a whole can, but I'm going to use this for my topping. So I'm going to put just a little bit of that, maybe 1/4 of a cup. Kind of get that all stirred in together. This. And then we're going to put it in my loaf pan. And I'm probably going to cook this about 45-50 minutes. I'll check it because you want to make sure that this is really, really well done. And all the hamburger meat is really well cooked. I don't like uncooked hamburger meat. I'm sorry, but I just don't. I'm not one of those to have a medium or medium rare anything. Anyway, this is what it's going to look like once you get it all mixed together. Okay, we're going to put it down in our loaf pan like this, press it down. And then I'm going to make a yummy topping for it. I don't know what traditional meatloaf is. My mom used to make it with a flour roux, I think, on hers. I've never really made one like my mom makes. Like I say, I've always had this recipe that just kind of stuck in my mind. Okay, so I took my tomato sauce that I had left over and I put it in my measuring cup like this. And now I'm going to take some brown sugar. Oh my gosh, it's so good with this, but you don't have to make it very sweet if you don't want to. We just kind of like that little tinge of sweetness with our topping, our sauce. And so I put about 2 tablespoons in here. And then I'm stirring it up, and now I'm going to put it on top of my meatloaf. And we're going to cook this meatloaf for about, like I said earlier, probably about 50 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and show you how yummy this is and how delicious this oatmeal looks in here. You won't believe it. You won't even know there's oatmeal in there. Anyway, you probably wouldn't even have to tell anybody there's oatmeal in there. But look how beautiful this is, and it's so yummy. I can't wait for you guys to try it. I know I did a Facebook post asking you guys what you'd like to see more of, and you guys said dinner recipes, dinner ideas, quick, easy. This is quick, simple to put together. You just have to wait for it to cook, and then it's done. And so when this finishes, I'll be right back to show you the end product. I can't wait. Okay, you guys, our meatloaf is out of the oven, and what I have done is I've let it sit for about 15 or 20 minutes. It looks so yummy. I can't wait for you guys to try it. I've cut it, and here you go. This is what it looks like. I hope you try it and let me know in the comments below, okay? And don't forget to tell somebody you love them. I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.